Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we will discuss about point editing, how we can edit the points. There is several methods we can easily edit our point. First of all, for example, if we have this point, this is our benchmark point, we can right click here on this, select and right click. We can go to the property tool. So once we click on the property tool, there we can see this window. So in this window we can edit several things like point number. Here we have raw description, style, point label. We can easily change any point label from here, whatever we want. Description only, elevation only, or elevation point only. Anyone we can change. So if we want to change color or anything for this description, elevation or BM, we can easily change it from here. So click on this edit button. You can just click here, continue, copy current selection or edit current selection. So easily you can just do it. For example, I'm going to select this one and click on this, double click, because if you need to select one point style, once you click on this, from here you can change color, style, each and everything from this layout you can change it. And at the end you can see here we have easting, northing and elevation. If you want to change the elevation, you can easily change from here the elevation for this one. Now you can see once you change the elevation here, for example, I'm going to enter 105, it will be 105 here. And also if you're going to change the easting, northing, for example, I'm going to enter this easting, change little bit and click here. Now you can see it's moved from one place to another place. So on this way you can also edit the point, or if you want to edit again, you can just click and go to the edit point option from here. This edit point, from here you can see you have different option. So here you have point number, you can change the point number. Here you have easting, northing, elevation, point, BM, description. So you can change all these option from here. For example, I'm going to change this from here, this one, and press enter. Now you can see that this point will automatically change from here. So click here, it will change from one place to another place very easily. So here we have a lot of information which you can change easily from here. If you want to change point label, point style, you can easily change from here. And here we have the points group. From here, if you click on this property, this pop-up menu will open. If you want to change point icon from here, like for this all points, let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom this and click and right click property, and from here you can select anyone and you can apply. So this icon will change from here very easily. So let me select this benchmark type, select this one, it will change to the benchmark type. So whatever you want, you can just easily select from here the style. So if you want to do some editing, color changing, you can just click on this, or you can click on the small arrow and pick from drawing or edit current selection. You can just click here, and from here you can change the marker style, size from here. If you want to change the marker style, size from here, you can easily change the size and style from here. If you want to change 3D geometry, you can easily change it. If you want to change the coloring from here, you can easily change the color from here. You can apply, or you can change this also from here. You can, for the red or any color, you can just select it. For example, I'm going to select this one. This one is, I'm going to select also this color and click OK, apply. Now you will see this all color will change to these colors. Okay, so visible, 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 visible. This layer also you can close from here, property, and click here level. From here you can change to default. You can just change as per your requirement from here. So let me select this one, information, drill hole, and here is these things. You can just change it as per description. Click apply and OK. If you are going to change these things like this description, level and BM, text size or the color, you can easily change. Go to property. From property you can easily go to the style. From the style you can for the point label style, click and click on current edit, select from here any label style and double click. Once you do double click, from here you can easily change the text height from here. For example, I'm going to enter 3. You can change also the rotate angle from here. If you want to put 90, it will be rotate like this way. So you can easily change, make it's 0, and here top left XY, how much is offset, how much offset is required from this point. So this offset XY, and from here is the color. You can change the color whatever you want, which color you want, you can easily change from here. Okay, so you can see that it's changing in this display very easily. So let me select him here. If you want to change this color also, you can also change this color. If you want, you can change it. So this is the point description. Here is the point number. For the point number also, you can change the text color height, and you can also change the color from here whatever you want. You can just select it, and here you will see that it's yellow. You can see yellow. So also you can make it XY or offset. If you want to do the offset, for example, I am going to enter 0.11, you will see that it's going there. If you enter 5, it will move here. Okay, so you can change it. For the point elevation, this is the point elevation. You can change the text height 4 and angle of rotation, and also you can change the color from here, green or blue. Click, so you can just make it blue. And if you want to move it XY, you can just move it to right or left easily from here. For example, I'm going to enter this 7, click, you can see it's go up. If you enter this 0 and this enter 7, it will move like this way. So that's easily you can change this style from here as per your requirement. So whatever you want, any type of editing, you can easily just click on this all points. If you want to edit all points, just click here and go to the edit points. From here you can easily export the points, you can easily edit. You can see all the option is available here, the point option, point description, you can see from here. So here is the easting, northing, point elevation, point name, description, full description, everything is available as per your requirement. You can change it or you can make it. So if you want to export, you can easily export. If you want to lock or unlock, you can easily lock and unlock. Show change, update, zoom, pan, lock, and do this all changing. I hope this helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.